In this video, we will take a look at a clutch kit for BMW M5, e28 and e34 and M6, e24. This clutch kit is made by SACHS. SACHS is the original equipment manufacturer for BMW clutches and Porsche, Volkswagen, Audi, and a lot of other European cars, commercial, light duty, heavy duty trucks also. First, pressure plate. Okay, this is conventional push type pressure plate made by SACHS, and this is the manufacturer part number, and it tells you the size of the pressure plate, which is 240 millimeter, and regular push type diaphragm style pressure plate with the rivets on it. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 mounting holes, so you'll mount on the flywheel with the 6 bolts on it. And there's a dowel pin holes, 1, 2, and 3 right there. So you'll find the 3 dowel pins on the flywheel to align the pressure plate when you install it. Okay, and there are strap springs which holds the pressure plate to the cover stamping, and there's 3 springs on each set. There are 1, 2, 3 sets. And let's measure the pressure plate. And the pressure plate is almost 9.5 inch. And in metric, it is 240 millimeter. So this is a 240 millimeter pressure plate made by SACHS, and it's for M5. And next is the disc plate called the driven plate or friction plate. It's got the friction is riveted on the backing plate of the clutch disc like that, and made by SACHS, and we can find the product number on it. It says a gearbox, so this protruding part is facing the gearbox, and this flat part facing the flywheel and engine side. And there are 10 splines inside. The input shaft should have 10 splines also, which will go through the center of the disc. And on the out and inside of the friction, there are typical M series metal plate is holding the frictions, and we won't be able to find this style on the other regular BMW 5 series disc. So this is typical style for the M series. So when you find this on the disc, and you know this is M series disc. Alright, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of damper springs, and each damper has a single springs, which I prefer than the double springs, which cause a lot of rattlings in the neutral. Okay, this is a release bearing, also called the throwout bearing, and this one pushes the diaphragm on the pressure plate to release it, so we can change the gear. Made by SACHS. Product number here, and it is also premium style, self-centering style. The pressure ring moves a little bit against the bearing collar to the rattlings on the input shaft, so it aligns and sitting on the correct position of the pressure plate, and it aligns by itself. Unless there's a little plastic alignment tool to help guide the center of the disc to the flywheel pilot pivot. So this is all about the BMW M series clutch, and thank you for watching, and we'll come back with some of the clutch for other popular cars. Thank you.